I'm just gonna pretend like you guys aren't here. Okay, what's up guys? It's Mike from Artigianale. This is episode 5 of how to use our bread Thanksgiving edition. Okay, cool. We got our sourdough bread and we're gonna dump that into a bowl. It's just cubed up. We're not making like a traditional Thanksgiving stuffing. Can do a cool Calabrese style one because we're Artigianale. So I have a little bit of onions that I sweat out. I'm gonna add that to the bread. Okay, next I have some chopped thyme and chopped sage. Can't have stuffing without sage. We have some roasted sun-dried tomatoes. We're gonna add that there as well. And some pecorino cheese. Salty, delicious. We're gonna pour over some milk, just 3.25% homogenized, and some eggs. Now we're gonna mix it all up. Now we're gonna add a bit of Nduja. Nduja we make in-house. It's a spreadable, fatty, Calabrese style sausage. It's gonna add a nice spice, and we like it spicy, right, Jules?
Oh yeah, brother.
Right, Jay? Right, Dom? Now we're gonna fold that into there as well. If you don't have Nduja, you can put like my nonna makes with prosciutto. You could put sopressata or whatever. You don't even have to put meat at all. It's gonna be good without it. As long as you have cheese, onions, tomatoes, some fresh herbs, and you have good bread, that's all you need. So I'm gonna let this sit for about 20 minutes or so. Let that bread soak up all that liquid. We're gonna come back and we're gonna put it on the tray and we're gonna bake it. And then we're gonna bake it. Okay guys, we're back. Our bread's been sitting for about 20 minutes or so. Just gonna add a little bit of salt to this. A few nana pinches. Okay, so we're gonna add a little bit of butter to our pan. One of these. Everyone's got one of these at home for sure. No, you could just use like whatever baking sheet you have. And a little bit of olive oil. And I'm just gonna massage it in and make sure that it's well coated on the edge. Okay, our bread is nice and soggy now. We got our pan oiled and we're gonna add all of this to our pan. We're gonna press it flat and we're gonna bake it and we're gonna eat it. Oh, that's some stuff in here. Wow. Stuffing. Okay, it's ready to go in the oven. 375 for like half an hour or so. Just put it in the rationale you have at home.
Probably won't be able to hear any of this audio. Yeah.
Okay, our stuffing is out and hot. To put little finishing touches, so we got a nice little color in there. We put in the wood oven. You don't have to put on the wood oven at home if you don't have one. Just put in the broiler for like 5 minutes, get nice and dark. Just gonna finish it with a little bit of grana padano or parmigiano, whatever cheese you want, doesn't matter. And some parsley as well. That's a shot right there, buddy.
You like it? Oh, don't be shy, man.
There's a fork here, Ron.
No.
Whoa. Dude, this is almost as good as my nonna's.
Hey, Calabrese stuffing. Is this any good or?
Yeah, I'm ready.
You know Thanksgiving.
Thanksgiving stuff.
You know Thanksgiving.
What are you gonna do? Just
Manja. Want to do share?
Okay, so you is here.
You give us a